Hey, this is Brett Moore from Montavilla Sewing Center. Today I'm live with Chris Kringle here to talk about our prizes that we're giving away for Christmas in July. Tell us, Chris, what do we have?
We're giving away the Mettler Thread Library. We have $250 gift certificates, 2 of them that we're giving away, and other prizes.
We can't wait. So, how do they find out if they won?
To find out if you won, we'll be announcing the winner in the comments section of the last video we did for a promo for this sale. The link to that video will be in the description of this one. We will also be sending out emails announcing winners of the various prizes.
Yes, so make sure to check your email. If you did not win, there's another chance you can win, and that is come to our 9th annual Tech Party. That starts September 3rd through the 6th. You won't want to miss it.
At Tech Party, we have thousands of dollars worth of prizes being given away every single day.
So we're giving away sewing machines, we're giving away a serger, we're giving away thread libraries. We're giving away so much at these tech parties. It's over $2,000. I think closer to $3,000 for every tech party. This is not only going to be things we give away, but we're going to see the latest in technology.
Brett's cousin George coming up to give a wonderful presentation about all that and amazing deals at the same time. September 3rd through 6th, link in the description of this video. Go sign up on our website for Tech Party. It is completely free to attend and going to be a ton of fun.
Yes, you won't want to miss it. See you there.